Model, 2019 Renault Master LL35 Business 2.3 DCI Luton Low Loader ULEZ compliant Euro 6 non-runner spares OR repairs. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 69,000. Engine, 2298 cc M9T DCI 130 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine fully stripped out and in the back, every part for it is there, just needs rebuilding. 100% worth getting this low-mileage Luton back to its former glory. OK hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.